back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. And for today's video, we will talk something special, something technical about choosing a farmed land. And this topic is very essential, so please stay tuned.
Life is already uncertain, but more so due to COVID-19 pandemics. Living in a countryside is one of the best choices to be. Aside from isolating with a crowded population, lots of benefits to live in a friendly environment. According to articlecats.com, here are the 8 health benefits of living on a farm. First, it has healthier immune system in general. Second, less likely to get asthma and allergies. Third, it has better mental health. Fourth, farm work is great for physical fitness. Fifth, food fresh produce equals more nutrients. Six, early to bed, early to rise routine. 7. Plenty of vitamin D from the sun. 8. Lastly, it has fresher air in the farm. There are research in child development and family relation studies validate some of this belief. Children who complete chores in exchange for their allowances or as part of a family business have more respect for saving and spending. Families that complete tasks together have stronger bonds. Cognitive ability, understanding of life cycles, and ability to deal with anxiety have been shown to improve if people have regular interactions with plants and animals. Health benefits include a marked reduction in inflammatory bowel disorders, allergies, atopy, and asthma. Here we go, the top 3 must know before buying a farmland. Firstly, ask for a land title and check the notations at the back. Watch out for fake land title, or the title was being used as a collateral to the bank, to the lending establishment, or to a person, or even they use it for a bail, or etc. And also, we have to consider that it's safe to live and has a friendly community. To avoid scam, always seek a second opinion to the expert on a field or to the local community. Inquire nearest neighbor or previous family owner or etc. Here we go for top 2. Verify the authenticity of the land title to the Register of Deeds. A Register of Deeds refers to a specific position within a government that oversees the actual records in question. Their main responsibility may extend to certain fraud prevention responsibilities. The register might take steps to remind citizens of scammers who offer to sell them documents such as deeds by reaching out to them through unsolicited mail or other forms of contact. Here we go for top 3. Hire to survey the land. You can ask the service of a geodetic engineer to survey the land, because survey is really a must, and conflict comes when not coincide the survey or the measurement from other neighbor or tend to invade other private property. Also consider checking your right-of-way or access way, because if you don't have and you are secluded inside away from the main road, so you need to buy a private road for you to pass. And then also place a concrete fence or barbed wire or a wood fence to protect your area after being sold. Clearing done? Price is right? Deal or no deal? You can consider hiring a fixer that can be trusted, or you can do it yourself Expect a long and strenuous journey. Search, ask, and study to avoid costly mistakes. Congratulations! You made it! You made a way to the next step. Remember to transfer the original land title under your name, officially, legally, notarized, and signed after being sold. Under the Philippine Constitution, a foreigner is prohibited from owning the land in the Philippines but can legally own a residence. The Philippine Condominium Act allows foreigner to own condo units as long as 60% of the building is owned by Filipinos. If you want to buy a house, consider a long-term lease agreement with a Filipino landowner. You can also purchase a property through a corporation provided its ownership is 60% or more by the Filipino citizens. Thanks for watching! Bye! If you learned something, please give it a like, share, and comment. Bye!